Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here with the Mercury. I'm actually stopping at this, stopping at the Advanced Auto Parts. I'm gonna be changing the oil in the Ford Crown Victoria. It is that time. I haven't changed it in a while. I did check it to make sure it's like not, super black or anything like that, but it's time to change it. But I drove the Mercury up here because I had to clean it up. So just give you guys a quick little walk around of the Mercury. It is looking nice. What you guys think, man? I see you got like the holes for the tag plate on the front. I don't know if I want to add one on there or not, but yeah. So about to hop in here or run in here and see what oils they may have on sale. Make sure I upgrade the oil filter because that's the most important. Second to the oil, and then we'll go from there. All right. Quick glimpse of the inside. I know y'all probably like, man, you don't never show the inside of the car, but just just a little quick glimpse. Got all the little buttons and stuff on the door. You got your power seats. I like these little grab handles. They would come in handy. You got your fuel and your trunk button on the bottom. It does have, I like how you don't, nobody can just walk up and open the cap. Got a lot of power features. All right, so we're in the door. Let's see, going to the oil. So sometimes like you can look in the paper up front, or if not, you just come on to the back and they have the oil. Usually a sign to be on it, which oils they have. So like, I'm not using that. Definitely gotta get some I'm used to. So like Pennzoil is pretty good. Like 42 though. It's 41. Valvoline. This is the Valvoline High Mileage. It's like 33. Mobil 1. Have I used Mobil 1 before? I don't know if I used Mobil 1 before. All right, just a second. So right now, this is the full synthetic. We gotta get the 5W20. So right now it's either platinum, full synthetic for 42 with an upgrade $4 for the oil filter, or I can do the high mileage, which is $32, which I believe, I'm wondering like what do they consider high mileage? But 75,000 miles. Okay, well if that's high mileage, then that would be, I'm gonna go with this one. Then we're gonna upgrade the filter on here, because if not, we got the Valvoline. So I don't really run Valvoline, but it's about the same price. I'd rather get something that I know I run. So all right, we'll work with that. I gotta grab one more item out the store. Almost forgot one more thing.
Power steering fluid.
I gotta grab some power steering fluid. Let's see. All right, now we headed to the front. Okay, so here we're draining the oil in the Ford Crown Victoria, but let's go ahead and talk about the oil itself that we're going to be putting in the vehicle. And when I was checking out the oils on the aisle at the parts store, I had a lot of different kind. So I went with the Pennzoil, but now they had different kinds of Pennzoil. Like they had a high mileage, a platinum, a full synthetic. To me, it's all pretty much just about the same, as long as you choose the right weight of oil. However, I was trying to figure out like what is high mileage, because that was like the cheapest Pennzoil is like 42 bucks. But if you get, all right, we got our new Motorcraft filter. All right, bam. Got the old one right here. Oh man, I done dropped the new one. All right, anyway, right there. New one. Make sure the ring is still on there, so we're good to go. Put a little oil on here. Ready to rock and roll. So I was reading the bottle to see what they consider high mileage, and on the oil container itself, it does show that they consider high mileage 75,000 miles. Now, for most vehicles, I guess that could be true, but for the Ford Crown Victoria and a lot of other cars, 75,000, that's not even the halfway mark yet. These cars can, if you take care of them, get around 300, even a little bit more miles. So, 75, that's not even the break-in point yet. That's the one we chose to go back into the Ford Crown Victoria. So we got the oil changed, and we're going to be doing some other maintenance on the vehicle. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.